Type.
Civil danger warning.
Location.
Varies.
Effective.
2:35 p.m.
Until.
Indefinitely.
The following message was written by an undisclosed authority and is not automated. As of this morning, many people across the eastern United States have reported seeing a figure out of the corner of their eye that suddenly vanishes as they go to look at it. This currently unexplainable phenomenon would happen very often, specifically around 2 to 3 times per day for about a week, before suddenly driving the victim insane. Said victim has been said to either kill themselves or act violently towards others around them. There is currently no known way to reverse these effects. You are advised to stay indoors at this time to avoid altercation with victims of this phenomenon. If you see something out of the corner of your eye, isolate yourself immediately. This alert will be rebroadcasted in 36 hours.